What's up, guys? We're doing stuff on my car today. Well, first of all, we cleaned the garage on that side. We've still got to do this side, but we got that side done and it looks great. It's all nice and white and empty. It's great. So this is a drift car and all, but doesn't mean that it can't look cool with that black suede. I mean, it's gotta look cool, that's the point. I got a quick release, and I'm doing sound deadening, new sound deadening all over the car, especially on the roof, because the roof sounds horrible. Rain sounds like metal hitting metal. So I got this stuff. This is Noiko sound deadening with foil on it. This is the 80 mil stuff. And it's got this black foil on top of it. I got the black one because it'll just look better on the inside. So I got that, and I did the door cards last night. And for the door cards, I put a little bit there, here, and there. And then for these door cards, when I did the suede, I went to Joann's and I got some suede fabric and redid the door cards, and then I repainted the speaker covers so they look a lot better. So I'm putting these door cards back in, and then I'll go ahead and do the roof, and then I can put the headliner back in, which will have a cool surprise that we haven't shown on YouTube yet. And then I've got new front speakers in, I've got new rear speakers in. So everything should be good to go once I put all this interior back in. The only other thing that I'm gonna want to do on the interior is put black carpet in and get a dash cover. Because if I get a dash cover, it'll cover all the cracks and crap. But yeah, black carpet and a dash cover is all I really. Oh, and a different passenger seat and 180SX rear seats. But that's it. Simple.
Look at them hard at work. Tell them what you've done so far.
Roof is lined. That side over there is done. And then I put some in here. Done. Put a little bit back here on the roof there, a little bit right here. Once I finish these B-pillar areas and the wheel well under the seat, then I can put the back seats back in and the headliner in, and then move to the trunk, and then if I have enough, I'll put it under the carpet in the front, and that's about it.
Seek. This will all get laid sooner or later. Pause.
Old crispy plastic from 30 years ago. It's like skin almost.
Ew. Like shark skin.
Yeah, it's super thick. It's like, yeah, it's like giant thick fish skin. And it's even like feels scaly because of the diamonds in it.
Fishy.
We are on day 2 of this. And for the so we got the sound deadening done in the trunk. All I did for the trunk was I just took a whole bunch of sheets and laid them out, and then just pressed them in with a roller. I didn't go like all the way on everything, but I tried to cover as much of the trunk as I could. Looks good. I like it. Focus. I need to get new trim pieces to cover the strut tower is there, but aside from that, everything seems to be done back here. Batteries back in. And then as for the front, got the suede door cards done, the glove box is done, got the seats back in, and these aren't going to stay. I'm going to put 180 rear seats back in here at some point. I'm going to get an S14 passenger seat. And then I got the headliner done. I'm going to need to get S15 visors because these are that gray still. So I'm going to try and find S15 visors and get rid of the gray ones so they can be black. And then headliner's done. That little trim piece, that needs to get replaced, but it looks really good in here. I'm digging it. And then once it gets dark, I'll show you guys the Starlights. I'm about to run to AutoZone and get a plug for it, but I just have the box right there under that little hump, and then I have the cord running this way underneath all that, down and then back, and then underneath all the B-pillar trim, and then it runs out of there, and I'll tuck it away once I'm done. But that's the interior now.
Thank you.